8476. Hydraulic fluid filtering elements constructed of porous paper are normally A. Cleaned and reused. B. Discarded at regular intervals and replaced with new filtering elements. C. Not approved for use in certificated aircraft. The correct answer is B. Hydraulic fluid filtering elements constructed of porous paper are normally discarded at regular intervals and replaced with new filtering elements. Over time, hydraulic fluid can become contaminated with dirt, metal particles, and other debris that can clog or damage hydraulic system components. Porous paper filtering elements are designed to remove these contaminants from the fluid as it circulates through the system. However, as the filter becomes saturated with debris, it becomes less effective and may even restrict fluid flow, leading to system malfunctions. To prevent this, filters should be replaced at regular intervals as specified by the manufacturer or maintenance manual. 8477. A pilot reports that when the hydraulic pump is running, the pressure is normal. However, when the pump is stopped, no hydraulic pressure is available. This is an indication of A. Leaking selector valve. B. Low accumulator fluid preload. C. Leaking accumulator air valve. The correct answer is C. A pilot reports that when the hydraulic pump is running, the pressure is normal. However, when the pump is stopped, no hydraulic pressure is available. This is an indication of a leaking accumulator air valve. The accumulator is used to store pressurized hydraulic fluid for short periods of time when the pump is not running, so that there is still enough pressure to operate the system. The accumulator is pressurized with nitrogen, and if the air valve is leaking, the nitrogen will escape, causing a loss of pressure when the pump is not running. When the pump is running, the pressure is normal because the pump is providing pressure to the system. Therefore, the correct answer is C. 8478. If fluid is added to a reservoir in a constant pressure hydraulic system while the system is pressurized, what will result? A. Fluid will spray violently out of the reservoir when the filler neck cap is removed. B. The fluid level will increase when system pressure is reduced. C. Air will be drawn into the system when the filler neck cap is removed. The correct answer is B. A constant pressure hydraulic system has a pressure relief valve which opens when the pressure exceeds the system's design maximum. If fluid is added while the system is pressurized, the relief valve will open and release fluid to maintain the constant pressure. Once the system pressure is reduced, the fluid level will increase in the reservoir. 8479. In a hydraulic system that has a reservoir pressurized with turbine-engine compressor bleed air, which unit reduces the air pressure between the engine and reservoir? A. Relief valve. B. Air bleed relief valve. C. Air pressure regulator. The correct answer is C. The air pressure regulator reduces the pressure of the turbine engine compressor bleed air before it enters the hydraulic reservoir. This prevents the hydraulic fluid from becoming too hot and foaming, which could lead to a loss of hydraulic pressure. 8480. What is the main purpose of a pressurized reservoir in a hydraulic system? A. Prevent tank collapse at altitude. B. Prevent hydraulic pump cavitation. C. Prevent hydraulic fluid from foaming. The correct answer is B. The main purpose of a pressurized reservoir in a hydraulic system is to prevent hydraulic pump cavitation. By pressurizing the reservoir, the fluid pressure at the pump inlet is increased, which helps to prevent the formation of vapor bubbles and cavitation. This is important because cavitation can cause damage to the pump and other hydraulic components, as well as decrease system performance.